let's try to understand the basic table transformations. Inside Power BI, there are a lot of transformation options, which includes the adding columns, adding rows, removing rows. Also, when we click on any column inside any table, and we see on a right click that there are multiple options which we can select as and when required. So let's go into our Power BI model and let's test these features. We go to our Power BI model here. Inside our Power BI model, let's go and add a new table. So we go and select text or CSV file. We want to import the Finsic clothing product table, so we import it here. After importing, we will let it get imported. Yes, when it's get imported, we can see that there are certain applied steps. So first step is showing the source. The Power BI shows that this has been taken from this particular source inside your data. So this become an important aspect for Power BI to evaluate. After that, there are written as column 1, column 2, column 3, and these are the column, but no header has been provided to them. So Power BI goes and see the first row and treat it as a header. So those are promoted as the header based upon the identification. After that, you can see entire data which is shown here is only of text type. Then Power BI goes further and change the type of that text based upon the selection of columns. So product key is a numeric value, then it's updated as a numeric value by Power BI. So that is a smart move by the Power BI. Now, if we know that this is the product cost and this is the product price, we want to convert these numbers into the currency or dollars. So we can click and select both of them, and then we go to decimal number and we can select the fixed decimal number for our convenience. Once we do that, we can add it as a new step, and these numbers have been converted to fixed decimal, as you can see. Similarly, at this moment you can see that our complete name is having suits, and inside suits there are multiple products. So we want to categorize these into different elements. So we click on this column, we go to add column, inside that we click on extract, and we want to extract the text before delimiter. We click on that and we can see that our delimiter here is dash. So we press a dash here, and if we want to show the advanced option, this will be taking the delimiter from left to right from start of input. We press OK, and once we do that, you can see that this text has been shown here and all the items before delimiter have been identified. We give it a name as category. Also, we want to get the text after the delimiter. For that, again we would go to add column. Inside that, we will go to extract and text after delimiter, and we again write dash and we press OK, and you can see that this is showing the text after delimiter and entire thing has been shown here, and we write its name as product. In this way, we can create multiple things inside the Power BI transformation tab. Also, I want to show you that there are some redundant data inside the complete name which is 0. So these are not relevant for our analysis. So we click on complete name here, we click right, and there is an option of replace values. So we want to replace the 0 values with the blank data. So we can write it as blank, and if we press OK, you can see that all those blanks have been removed. But this does not work like an Excel because there are showing as a double inverted comma. So let's go and inside the complete name again, replace value, and we want to replace these two as a blank item. So, we press OK, and now you can see that this has been shown as blank. So, in this way we can use these transformation tabs for our analysis, and thank you for watching. I see you in the next session.